So first we need to remove 3 T20 screws at the bottom. Then we have we have 2, and then up behind here is 2 more right here. Once we remove all of those, we will be able to remove the glove box. So once the screws are out, you can just kind of set it up here. It should be out of the way. I don't think you need to unhook the wires, but basically we're going after this module right here, and there is 2 10mm nuts here at the top that we need to remove. So now with the module removed, you would think that you would disconnect the connectors, but that is incorrect. First we have to remove this cover by taking these clips off. Okay. And there's a couple more on the other side. And then we can take this off. And this is like some kind of mounting bracket. Okay, and then once you have the mounting bracket off, you have to move this piece out of the way, just like this. And now we can disconnect these connectors. Alright, to make the key we need a couple of things. We need the box, of course. We need a programming device. In this case I'm going to use the Tango from Scorpio LK. And we also need an EEPROM reader. This is TL866, one of the original ones. Okay, you need some solder and some flux. And then of course I recommend hot air station. Because we need to remove the EEPROM. So we'll go ahead and open this. Alright, so we put everything back the same way we pulled it out. And now we're going to try our key. That goes in. There's no warning for immobilizer. We're going to start it. There we go, we're running. So key is done. You still have to program the remote though. The remote is a different function, and I can't do that mail-in.